Welcome to Chef Mariam's website, where you'll find a wide range of delicious and creative cupcake recipes that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Chef Mariam is a talented chef with years of experience in the food industry. She's passionate about baking and loves to experiment with new flavors and ingredients to create unique and delectable treats. If you're a cupcake lover, you're in the right place. Chef Mariam's cupcake recipes are easy to follow and always turn out moist, fluffy, and full of flavor. Whether you're in the mood for something classic like vanilla or chocolate or something a little more adventurous like lavender or Earl Grey, Chef Mariam has got you covered. One of Chef Mariam's most popular cupcake recipes is her classic vanilla cupcake. It's the perfect base for all kinds of frostings and toppings and is always a crowd pleaser. Introduction. 1. Cupcakes are one of the most popular desserts around the world. 1. They're small, portable, and perfect for any occasion, from birthday parties to weddings to afternoon tea. 2. Cupcakes have been around for centuries, with their origins dating back to the 18th century. 2. However, they became more popular in the United States during the early 2000s, with the rise of cupcake bakeries and reality TV shows like Cupcake Wars. 3. Cupcakes come in all sorts of flavors, from classic vanilla and chocolate to more adventurous flavors like red velvet and lavender. 3. They can be topped with a variety of frostings and decorations, making them a versatile dessert option. 4. Cupcakes are easy to make at home, with simple recipes that require just a few ingredients. 4. They're a great option for beginner bakers or those short on time, as they can be whipped up in just a few minutes. 5. Cupcakes are not only delicious but also a great way to express creativity. 5. With so many decorating options, cupcakes can be transformed into works of art. 5. They're also a great way to get kids involved in baking and can be a fun activity for families to do together. Cupcake recipe Chef Mariam. If you're looking to switch up your cupcake game, try out some of these unique and delicious recipes from Chef Mariam's kitchen. From savory flavors to unexpected ingredients, these cupcakes are sure to impress your taste buds and your guests. Bacon maple cupcakes. Ingredients: 1 1/2 cups regular flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking pop, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted spread, room temperature, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup maple syrup, 2 huge eggs, room temperature, 1/2 cup buttermilk, room temperature, 6 strips bacon, cooked and disintegrated. Instructions. 1. Preheat your stove to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 1. Line a biscuit tin with paper liners or oil with a cooking splash. 2. In a different bowl, cream the spread and sugar together until light and cushioned. 3. Beat in the maple syrup and eggs, each in turn. 4. Progressively add the dry fixings to the wet fixings, rotate with the buttermilk, and blend until recently joined. 5. Mix in the disintegrated bacon. 6. Spoon the hitter into the biscuit cups, filling each around 2/3 full. 7. Prepare for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick embedded into the focal point of a cupcake confesses all. 8. Allow the cupcakes to cool in the tin for 5 minutes prior to moving them to a wire rack to totally cool. Cupcake Chef Mariam's unique information. Chef Mariam is a renowned culinary expert with years of experience in the food industry. She is well known for her innovative and creative approach to cooking, and her delicious and visually appealing dishes. Chef Mariam has a passion for cooking and sharing her knowledge with others, and she has become a beloved figure in the food community. Chef Mariam began her culinary journey at a young age, learning from her mother and grandmother in their kitchen. She developed a love for cooking and began experimenting with different flavors and ingredients. She honed her skills by attending culinary school and working in various kitchens around the world. One of Chef Mariam's specialties is cupcakes. She has a knack for creating unique and delicious flavor combinations that take a traditional cupcake to the next level. Her cupcakes are always moist, fluffy, and perfectly balanced in flavor. What sets Chef Mariam's cupcakes apart is her attention to detail. She believes that every element of a cupcake, from the cake itself to the frosting and decorations, should complement each other perfectly. She carefully selects ingredients, taking into account the flavor and texture of each one, to create a cohesive and delicious cupcake. Chef Mariam also understands the importance of presentation. She believes that a well-presented cupcake is just as important as its taste. Her cupcakes are always beautifully decorated, with attention paid to every detail, from the color of the frosting to the placement of the sprinkles. In addition to creating delicious cupcakes, Chef Mariam is also passionate about sharing her knowledge with others. She offers cooking classes and workshops, where she teaches students how to create their own delicious cupcakes and other treats. Her classes are hands-on and interactive, allowing students to learn by doing and asking questions along the way. Chef Mariam is a true master of her craft, and her cupcakes are a testament to her creativity, skill, and passion for cooking. Whether you're looking for a classic flavor or something unique and unexpected, Chef Mariam's cupcakes are sure to impress.